What is a mesh network for communication blackouts? Imagine a neighborhood where everyone's phone can talk directly to each other, even if the internet or cell towers go down. That's what a mesh network does. It's a way for devices to connect without relying on traditional infrastructure like cell towers or internet providers. Instead, each device, called a node, links directly to nearby devices, creating a web of connections. When one node can't reach another, the message hops through different devices until it gets where it needs to go. This makes the network very tough to break or shut down. In emergencies, like natural disasters or power failures, traditional communication lines can be damaged or overloaded. Mesh networks step in to fill that gap. They work with wireless signals such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which are common in many devices like smartphones, tablets, or specialized radios. Because they don't depend on a central hub, they keep working even if parts of the network are destroyed or disconnected. There are two main types of mesh networks used in emergency situations. The first is called private cluster mesh networks. These are trusted groups where devices know each other and plan how to send messages efficiently. They can store messages temporarily if the connection isn't perfect, making sure the message gets through later. These networks often encrypt messages to keep communications private and secure. The second type is open or broadcast mesh networks. Here, messages are sent broadly to reach as many devices as possible. This method spreads information quickly but can use more bandwidth and be less private. Mesh networks can be set up with different wireless technologies, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They are especially useful in cities or areas with fragile infrastructure. During a blackout, they allow emergency responders and residents to stay in touch without relying on cell towers or internet service. For example, in a city hit by a storm or earthquake, a mesh network can help coordinate rescue efforts or keep neighbors informed. Practical uses include maintaining communication when internet or cellular service is unavailable, creating community networks in remote areas, or supporting emergency messaging during disasters. They can be installed quickly, often within hours, and cost a few $100s per device. This makes them accessible for local governments, community groups, or even individual households. Overall, mesh networks are a powerful tool for urban resilience and emergency preparedness. They provide a flexible, reliable way to stay connected when traditional systems fail, helping communities recover faster and coordinate better during communication blackouts.